i-coordinate nyo na rin mo yung cellphone nyo. Kukunin namin. Okay. Palakpakan natin si Ma'am Belinda. Ating principal, Ma'am Belinda Division. Our Executive Director, Ms. Lorena, ng ICTSI Foundation, Mr. Bartolome, Program Operation, ICTSI, Mr. Loriente, ICTSI Foundation, Mr. Balmoria, ICTSI Foundation, Ms. Pani Pala, ICTSI Foundation, the ICTSI family or II, good morning and thank you very much. To our SDO family, today being represented by our Assistant Superintendent, Ma'am Lumeda, at ang kanyang mga kasamahan sa SDO, to the parents, teachers, athlete, and of course, yung mga barangay chairman natin, iba-ibang barangay ito. Kami kami sa Pilastis, malalayo mo yan. But the parents also na natin dito. Good morning! Well, una tayo sa lahat. Like nowadays. It's a very good thing that even yesterday, as an update to citizens of Manila, we were called yesterday by the President through the Executive Secretary Ralph Recto to come up with a whole nation approach confronting the economic situation ng ating bansa due to uncertainty in the Middle East. And measures are being put into their places and so on and so forth. At masaya ako dahil siyempre yung pakikipagtulungan ng lokal at nasyonal ay nagdudulot ng kabutihan sa kanyang nasasakupan. Immaterial of politics. Ibali nang hindi magkakakulay. As long as we get into position, we must work hand in hand and to protect the interests of our people. Now, having said that, with the same analogy, wherein private sectors doing business in the city of Manila, helping the city government and its people. Kaya nakakatuwa na ang ICTSI sa lahat ng panahon lagi namin kasama. Sa aberya, o ngayon, sa sports and extracurricular activities for our kids, particularly yung kanilang mga talento, may pakikita nila. At one way or another, we will continue to lead the region. In the recent Palarong NCR, top-notcher ang Maynila. Kanina pa yan, pahiraman pa ng malumis. At least, nakis nyo yung crush nyo. Yeah, I have a story. And this is not just a story. This thing happened. Mario, limang palapag yun. May portion, tatlong palapag. May portion, limang palapag. As you age, you go higher, grade 1 to grade 6, pataas ng pataas. So, ako, recess boy. Yung may recess girl, may recess boy. Ang ibig sabihin noon, ang araw, Doon sa ground floor nito pinatatayuan natin, may canteen. During the recess, there will be volunteers, student volunteers, to go down to the canteen and get the recess tray and soup. The tray for the girls and the soup for the boys. And nobody's allowed. Walang pwedeng lumabas ng classroom except those who are authorized na mga mag-aaral. So I always volunteer. Kasi pang GMRC ko yun eh. Sayang din. Ewan ko, o mga teacher niyo, alam niyo GMRC. Good moral and right conduct. Pag ikaw nagpo-volunteer sa paglilinis, pagbubunot, nung araw nagbubunot kami, nagpo-floor wax kami, tapos nagpo-volunteer ako magpura ng blackboard. Kaya marami akong hanan. Dahil doon sa chalk, nung araw. But going back to the story, ibebenta mo yung soup, ibebenta mo yung tray, tapos matututo ka ng mathematics naturally kasi inventory, yung dami ng paninda mo, ilan ang lumabas, pagkano per piece, multiply, then i-entrega mo pababa ulit sa canteen. The thing is, we're about 40 students. I have to sell the soup. And soups, usually, dalawa lang naman yan. Cold and hot. Pag cold, yan yung mga sopas. Ay, pag hot, mga sopas. Pag cold, yung gulaman. Bilo-bilo. Mangyari ba, hindi naman lahat nabibili, di ba? Siyempre, may mga batang katulad ko, walang baon. Wala kaming baon. Kaya lang, remember yung kwento ko, walang pwedeng lumabas. So, pagsasoli na namin sa canteen, yung mga atoms, hindi naman nauubos yung soup eh. May natitira doon sa aluminum, yung aluminum na tasa. May natitira doon. Di ba wala namang tao? Wala namang tao sa hagdanan. Fifth-floor ako. So what I do, what I did is, yung pinag-inuman ng mga kaklase ko, sinasalin ko sa isang klase. Makakabuo ko ng isa. Ba't nobody's seeing, except yung partner kong estudyante na babae. Kasi sabay kami mo. So, ininom ko yun kasi wala akong baon. Si Miss Villaluz, naalala ko noon, binibigyan pa ako ng piso. Kasi ang palitaw, 50 centavos. Yung soup, 50 centavos. Yung palitaw ng araw, malaki. Talagang punta na yun. But most of the time, wala. So, bakit yun ikwento? Kasi nagmamouthpiece kayo, di ba? Sharing ng mouthpiece. Para kayong may nakaraan na palitan ng mouthpiece. Pero ako, lahat ng kaklase ko, na-kiss ko na. Nang hindi nila alam. Life is hard. That's the truth. But, as you will sabihin, mangyari ba, magpupursige ka lang, mga bata, kayo, na. Huwag niyong hahanapin ang isang bagay na wala sa inyo. You have to appreciate what you have already. So anything about that is blessing. So kailangan matuto tayo na katulad ng sinasabi ng mga nanay at tatay natin. Kapag maikli ang umon, matuto ang maluto. Then, the rest is history. Sa mga bata natin dito, lalo na yung mga nanay na. Don't give up with your kids. Sino makapagsasabi o kulang na lang na ang isang graduate ng Almario pwedeng maging mayor ng Maynila. Kaya mga bata, you have to be appreciative of whatever you have. More so today will be jubilation. Ito ang pinakamasayang araw ng Almario. Paldo! Paldo. Alam niyo ba ito? This is a very expensive machine. I'm gonna show you something. Ito ay sinabi ni Ma'am kanina. This one, so, Ma'am Alex Iarneo. Pero naman may katelis ka at bakit na katelis mo? Yeah, ito ako yun ha. So ngayon, we cannot compete with Lasal. Kasi dalawa lang tayo meron yan sa buong Maynila. Almario lang at Lasal. And I would like to share also our ICTSI Foundation partner with regard to the nutrition or what you call the stunting problem of the country, and that includes Manila. 3 months ago, we've launched Your Milk. And dito rin ako nakatikim ng Clean at Nutriban ng araw. Sa Almario, yung Nutriban mga bata, ganyan kalaki. Basag na kama mo, hindi mo ubos yung Nutriban. At yung pagka binato mo sa kaklase mo yun, bubungkol. Talagang matigas yun. It's a nutritious bomb. Then we are being given milk. Itatakan mo doon sa, ano mo, writing paper, writing notebook mo. Pipilas ka ng isa. Tapos nakakala ka. Yan ang claim or gatas. And that brought us something in our nutritional needs. But 3 months ago, I've been hearing a lot of data, seeing a lot of data that there is something in the country. And to confirm it, I directed the MHT to sample or what you call sampling data. And it's true. So that's why your city government brought back the milk supplemental program or napangalang Your Milk. And this is for daycare center. 21,000 every other day for the last almost 3 months now. At yung mga bata ngayon, pag nakita nyo yung mga mukha, nako, and you should see how it brought nutrition to their body. Fresh milk. We bought from the farmer. Ito yan ha, alam nyo, yung programa na yan sa totoo lang. Pag may nagsiyasat yan, bibigyan ng gold medal lang ang MDSW and MDSP. Farmer, kulang ng customer. Yung baka nilang alaga, they need to katasan. Hindi, magkakasakit yun eh. Walang bibili, tapo. So for the first time in history, local government unit through NDA, National Dairy Authority, then cooperative, then farmer. So from the farm, directly sa Manila. That's how fresh it is. 21,000 bottles of 200 ml, I think more or less, iniinom ng bata. And so far, it's doing good. Now, ma'am, ito ang good news. Tinulong ko ito kay principal. Kasi si Lumeta, alam na ito. Nung nakita namin, mukhang maganda. Then now we are going to escalate to the parents who are here. Kasi unang-una, natutuwa yung mga parents. Wala na silang tosgas sa nutrition ng bata nila dahil sa na ng syudad. Bali ba, palalawakin na natin. By June, we will resume with daycare, 21,000 of them, and 40,000 kinder and grade 1 all over the city. We will reinforce the nutritional needs and health of our kids. Daycare, kinder, and grade 1. Hanggat may mapipiga ako sa bimpo, pipigayin ko, lumusog lang kayo. Kaya, mga bata, no? Wala nang kayong gagawin, kundi mag-aaral na lang. At mag-practice. Dahil sa ICTSI, ang sarap mag-practice ngayon. Kasi kompleto ka lang natin. And I would like to inform you, my wife is an athlete. Yes. Their family started taekwondo in the country, or the Las Piñas Gym, when Mr. Hong from South Korea, who is now still the head of the taekwondo and consultant of the government, and Lolo Dad, Lolo Luisis, put up a gym for Las Piñas. Jimmy, the uncle, started competing. Then, pamangkin, Arnold, national team, Ate Irene, who is in America, who is one of the biggest taekwondo gym in California, or what you call Excel Taekwondo. You can Google it in California. Woodland Hills. Then, Eva, who is in America, teaching also for the US Open, Olympian natin, first Taekwondo Demo Olympics. Then my wife, also a national team. Kaya ako, I'm afraid of my wife. Because black belter ang SB ko. Kaya ako, mahilig ako sa Yunachi. Sa Yunachi Nenas ko kasi luwatang pula ako. But kidding aside, she is national team and athlete of Lasal. Lahat sila actually, lahat sila scholar because of being an athlete. Lahat sila taekwondo. And a lot of athletes naging matagumpay sa kanilang karera and profession. And Manila is producing top-notch athlete. Very competitive. There was a boy in Paraiso ng Batang Maynila. Doon siya nagka-training. Kaya kalahin mo naging gold medalist. So maraming bata. Sabi ko nga nung araw, noong dekada 80, bakit kaya ang PSC hindi maganap ng diver dito sa Pilipinas? Sinong araw, pag dumadating ng Negros Nomination, Sweet Lines, Sulpicio, Gotong, yung WGNA, ewan ko, naalala ko naman teacher yan, Doña Paz. Pag dumarating na yan dyan, sa pier, lalo na yung passenger boat, no? Katulad ng Sulpicio and William. Lahat kami umakyat sa Agnamyo. Tapos kukunin namin yung mga bote ng Pepsi, Mirinda, 7-Up, araw. Tapos ibabato namin sa dagat. Yung partner namin sa dagat, Hindi naman lulubog kagad yung bote. Kukunin yun, kasi baka ito sa pantalan. May sasalo naman doon. O, tapos makakaisang sako kami ng bote. Ang problema, hindi masyadong pinapayagan yun ng mga tripulante or crew. Misa pinapahabol kami sa aso. So, where do you go? You jump. Nung araw meron palabas, fireman. Red 1, green 2, yellow 3. Tumatalo kami sa dumadive kami. At magagaling lumere yung mga kababata ko. Sabi ko, bakit hindi dito maghanap ng athlete sa diving? Kasi magagaling yung mga bata dito sa atin. So, I'm telling you these stories, mga bata. Sometimes if you hear these stories, parang impossible that this happened to a person or a group of individuals. Kaya nung naging krusyal ako, meron akong ginawang what do you call this? Para bang sentence o pangusap. Sabi ko, tundo with pandayan ng husay at talino.